Ready to take your new hire onboarding from good to outstanding? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can use ClickUp to seamlessly onboard new team members in just 5 easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear blueprint for getting your new hires up to speed, organized, and genuinely integrated with your team, all using tools you probably already have in ClickUp. So let's get started with step 1, having your new hire review your SOPs or standard operating procedures. This might sound basic, but it's actually huge. It's like giving someone the map before they start navigating the terrain. In ClickUp, you can store these SOPs as docs or even as linked tasks. I recommend spending an extra moment making sure these are up to date and easy to find. When your new hire sits down and sees everything laid out so clearly, they'll know exactly what's expected and how everyday processes actually work. Don't worry if they have questions. This is a normal part of onboarding, and it's much better than them guessing or feeling lost later. Moving to step 2, you'll want to create an onboarding zone inside ClickUp. Think of this as a friendly launchpad just for your new hire. Whether you call it a space, a folder, or simply a list, what matters most is that it's dedicated and uncluttered. Place all essential tasks, documents, welcome notes, and resources here. It's not only about giving them access, it's about showing them their progress in real time. Imagine the difference between wandering through a giant office building versus having your own desk with a calendar and a checklist just for you. It's reassuring and motivating, especially during their first week. For step 3, it's time to officially invite your new hire into your ClickUp account. Go ahead and add their email to your workspace. Once you've done that, assign them tasks from the onboarding zone you set up earlier. At this point, your new hire becomes active in your workflow. They'll see their assignments and start moving through the onboarding plan. An added bonus, you'll be able to easily track how things are going, spotting any bottlenecks or places where they need extra help. Remember, nobody expects them to know everything immediately. Just being added to ClickUp gives them access to support and oversight, so they're never on their own. Step 4 is all about scheduling regular check-ins. Use ClickUp's calendar, reminders, or even dedicated meeting tasks to set up recurring touchpoints between your new hire and their supervisor. This isn't just another meeting. It's a chance for real connection, quick feedback, and making sure no questions are left unanswered. Sometimes new team members feel nervous about interrupting managers with small questions, so having these scheduled check-ins builds in that critical support. These moments often make the difference between a smooth transition and someone who feels lost. Finally, step 5, help your new team member integrate into the wider group. Assign them to collaborative tasks, loop them into team chats. ClickUp even has a built-in chat feature for this. Encourage active participation in projects, even if it starts out small. It's a bit like inviting someone to join group activities at a party. You break the ice and help them feel part of the team. Over time, these interactions will build confidence, relationships, and a sense of belonging, which is truly what great onboarding is all about. And there you have it, 5 simple but powerful steps to make new hire onboarding in ClickUp smoother, more efficient, and more human. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable ClickUp guides. I'll see you in the next video.